Full or Kanta, flower and thorns. Kanta means the thorns. This poem, the poet is described to the flower. Compare with the flowers and the thorns. How the human beings also be. We also be the birth in the same nature, same countries, nation, but we are different from the nature behaviors. So we should behave like a flowers, not a thorns. That means we should be beautified our societies, fragrance to the societies, selfishness, not behave like a thorns, like it hard or hurt anybody's. So how he described these ones through the flower and thorns. So let's come to the poems. है जन्म लेते जग में एक ही पौधे उनके हैं फलता. हम एक ही जग में जन्म लेते हैं, एक ही पौधे उनके पालते हैं, उनके एक ही पौधा पालता है. Pौधा means plant. So we are birthed in the one place, same place, and they are all reared by same plants. Rear means take care of. रात में उन पर चमकता चांद भी एक ही सी चांदनी है डालता. In night time, even the night times, twinkling star also give a moonlight to everybody's same way. मेघ उन पर बरसता एक सा बरसता. The मेघ cloud also showering that same like it. It's not so the discrimination. एक ही उन पर हवाएं बही. That havas, wind also blowing with the same wind to everybody. So same wind. पर सदा ही एक दिखता है हमें. पर सदा ही एक दिखाता है. But it always seemed to us. तंग उनके एक से होते नहीं. But its method is not same. It's not a same. Tank means method or way of approach is not same. Satkar कांटा किसी की उंगली. Chat karna means drill or punch. These are that kanta. Thorns is somebody's fingers may drill or punch. Stinger punching somebody's fingers. फाड़ देता है किसी का वर बसन. Somebody's beautiful, valuable clothes. It may be damaged. फाड़ देना means tear that tear. प्यार डूबी तितलियों का पर कतर. That birds, the butterflies, the lovable butterflies wings also be. बैरम का है वेद देता शामदन. That are not only the thorns not only damage or punching the fingers or damage the valuable cloths. It's also damage the birds, titlis, butterflies wings and that big bees, black bees, big bees. This is bees, bourons, this pears. This also stitching the pears are bees. फूल लेकर तितली हमको गोद में लेकर फूल तितली हमको गोद में लेकर बैरों को अपना अनूठा रस पिला. But in the flowers, how the flowers behave with the butterflies are take care, put in a laps. Okay, lovely, put in a laps. The flowers taken a put in its lap in the butterflies and allow the bees to drink the rus, nectars. Rus means that nectars. The bees, the black bees are drinking that unique, rare nectars from the flowers. निज सुगंधों और निराले रंग से. That are fragrance. It's a fragrance and that unique colors. है सदा देता है कली जी की खिला. सदा जी की कली खिला देता है. That means always makes the buds of life blooms. The खिला देना means make happiness, the mind. Happiness. जी खिलाना blooming your mind. That kali bud The birds. Ki kali kiladena. Chi means a mind, heart, or life. So the chi kali kiladena means it's always makes the buds of life or mind or heart this bloom. Hey kadakta ek sabki aankhon mein. It's attract that everybody's eyes. The flowers are attract everyone's eyes. दूसरा है सहता सुर सिर पर. दूसरा है सोहता सुर सिर पर. दूसरा है सोहता सुर शीश पर. The second is the tune that looks beautiful on the head. The flowers का blooming is beautiful on the head of the plant. किस तरह कुल की बड़ाई काम दे. किस तरह कुल की बड़ाई काम दे. कुल की बड़ाई. Gloriness of one's families. How can we make the gloriness of our one's family work? जो किसी में हो बड़पन की कसर. Someone lacks greatness. Now combine this last two lines. Then get the proper meanings. जो किसी में हो बड़पन की कसर, कुल की बड़ाई किस तरह काम दे. How will the greatness of the family be of any use? Be of any use. It's all be the lack of greatness of these things. Whatever you do, from that only you get that pride or prouds or honors, respect. Everything's you by your actions and your behaviors only, not by your family backgrounds. Family backgrounds. So Ayodhya Singh Upadhyaya carries this is a poems videos. We continue the book essays of this lesson. Thank you very much.